benefits them the best. They can get the actual cash value or the cost to repair or replace. They can take the property at an agreed or appraised value. They can repair, rebuild, or replace with like kind and quality. Recovered property, just like on personal property for commercial, same rules apply. Insured has the option to take and return the payment. If they'd already received the payment, they can return the payment and keep the property, or they can keep the payment and then sign over the property to the insurance company. Vacancy works the same way. No people or personal property will suspend certain perils after 60 days. The perils that will typically get suspended on commercial are going to be vandalism, sprinkler leakage, water damage, theft, or attempted theft. For those commercial risks where you're going to want to cover the foundations, a builder's risk policy is typically used. This is a separate policy within the BPP. This can either be used on a single or multiple projects. This is typically going to be at a completed value, meaning whatever the value is at the end of the project. 100% co-insurance requirement is going to be in place on here. Normally, you're looking at typically 80%, but on these policies, they are requiring 100%. So that means if you don't cover up to the full completed value, then you are going to have to suffer the penalty on any partial losses. This is going to cover the building or structure, temporary structure, foundations, materials, and supplies. What's not going to be covered, what's never covered under any property policy is land or water. They're not going to cover the tree, shrubs, or plants, antennas, or dishes, satellite dishes. Signs will be not covered unless they're attached, and then only up to $1,000. Typically on the coverage for a builder's risk, the coverage is going to be for a year, and it begins when the construction begins, and it's going to end either when the